Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. By the way, thank you so much for your continuous support to my channel. So today I came up with another video because this past few weeks we weren't able to update any new videos for another cooking show. So I decided to make a compilation of our cooking time during quarantine. Our very first in the list is our spicy chicken using paprika powder.
Yummy.
Next, delicious buttered scallops.
So good and tasty.
And roasted chicken.
Yummy.
We have also here our fried whole chicken,
Yummy.
or alimasag or lambay cooked with pineapple and lemon juice drink.
Yummy.
This is our roasted tuna panang.
Yummy.
Last but not the least, our delicious grilled fresh fish.
Yummy.
Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you'll be updated for our latest videos. And leave a comment down below. Thank you and stay safe.